I'm Keely.
I'm Jeannie.
We're from Sew with a Kiss. We just recently released our first crochet collection of patterns for spring from the Town & Country collection. And today we wanted to tell you more about the one on the cover. This is a really fun scarf, big long scarf. It's called Panorama. We wanted to add a piece into the collection that was very doable for all experience levels and also very, very gorgeous. And that's where this piece came about. It is a very large wrap scarf. And the way that it is made is with fine lace from Rowan, which is right here, with multiple strands held together, and then the colors are faded in and out to give the color effect. We've added a little bit of shaping on the ends to give it a diagonal edge, and then trimmed it off with coordinating fringe that is also trimmed on the same angle. And we think it turned out really fun. All of our pieces are shown in two colorways. We did Chroma with the fun, colorful colors. For the Chroma version, we put together some really fun colors for that. Then we also did nature inspired, and this is that combination. Very easy project for a new or intermediate crocheter. You'll only thing other than just basic stitches is the increasing and decreasing that you do on the end. And if you're not ready for that, you could always just leave it off and just have a plain rectangle scarf. So this is a great project for someone who's new. Working with the multiple strands is not hard at all. We've used a larger hook. It goes very fast, and it's just a real nice, you can wear it more as a shawl. You can wrap it around multiple times and really show the fringe off at the neck. We just love it and hope you do too. All of the patterns from the Town & Country collection are available as digital downloads on our website at swagnet.com/crochet. We also have a print publication as well and a digital ebook.